Hello everyone. So we are from Group 10 and we will present to you guys how to use Google Classroom. But before that, let me introduce our group. So start from me. My name is Johannes Philippos with student number 052.
My name is Iforeleka. My student number is 051.
My name is Suryananda with student number 049.
And my name is Stefania Basiri with student number 041.
Okay, so before we jump to the Google Classroom, so I will tutor you guys about how to use Google Classroom for the first time. So you can click or search Google Classroom in Google and you can click this. So when you have this page, you can click login and click Google Classroom. So because I already logged my account, so this is what the page should look like. And when you are the teacher, you can create class, and when you are the student, you can click join class. So because today we are going to be a teacher, so we can click create class, and then we can click this the check mark button and click continue. Okay, so you have to click you have to type the class name, the section, subject, or your classroom. So for the class name, we can use like the LMD class. The subject is English, and the room probably this is like the classroom for the students. So you click room B, and then click create. So when you have this page, you can see that we have the DLMD class, the big banner, the class code, the announcement for your class, and the upcoming work. So the students can see the work that we will be do. And you can see here there's three: classwork, people, and grades. So when you click classwork, you can add or upload your assignment with assignment, question, material, reuse, post, and topic. And for the people, so here's the teacher and here's the student. So the teacher, we can collaborate with other teacher by typing our emails for the other teacher. For example, like this, and you can type again the email. So and you can type again for your other teacher name, like Fanny, for example. Yeah, just like this. And then you can click invite. So they will have a notification about the invite for this Google Classroom. And the students can join using this class code by clicking this three button, and you can copy clean lesson or copy class code or just reset class code if you have an imposter at your classroom. And then for the classwork and click create, you can click the assignment.
Okay, for the assignment, you can type the title. For examples, limericks. And then you can give the instruction, for example, like make a limericks from the airway class and upload it here. And in the button of that, you can add like maybe from Drive, YouTube, or create and upload or link. And then in the right side, in the very up, first for the LMD class, yeah, and then for all students, you can invite it, and then in the under that it's a points for the assignment, so they get the points for when they are correct, all correct, you get 100, and then the due date, you can add the due date like maybe for example like tomorrow. And for the time it's 11:59 p.m. And then you can add topic, and you can, yes, you can add like maybe example like unit one, and then yeah, with limericks, and then if you have any rubric, you can add it too. So you can upload it the assign. For the next, you can quiz assignment.
Okay, so for the quiz assignment, you can add the title in top of this column. For example, like daily quiz. And then you can add beside the title like narrative text, for example, if you are teaching English. Okay, and then for the part instruction, it is optional. If you can add the instruction here, then you can write it down. But if you think that you only need to write the instruction inside the form, then you don't have to fill it here. Then you can open the box with blank quiz, and it's directly go to Google Form that we know. If you already know about Google Form, you have created before, then it's just the same. And you can add the question, several types of question. And now we'll make an example. Like the first question, we type what are problem or something happened in the story. Then the option is multiple choice. For the first option, you can type like plot, and for the second option, you can type setting, and then the third option, you can type theme, and for the fourth option, you can type resolution. And if you want to add the score of each question, then you can click the answer key. You can customize the points in the corner, like 10 if you want to do 10 questions, and then you can summarize it to the 100, then you can add 10 points, and you can click the correct answer for the key answer, and then you can click done. And you can also turn on the required button, so student should fill the answer for each question. Okay, so if you go back to the classroom section, it will be automatically saved. So you don't have to copy the link or something because the Google Form is automatically saved. Then you can go back to the classroom creation, and you can customize your points, due date, and topics, and also a rubric if you have any. You can customize the points from the points, and then you can set the due date. For example, like 30 November at 11:59 p.m. That's okay, and you can check to close submission after due date, so student will not be able to do the quiz after the due date. So that's all for the quiz. It's easy actually. And we can go to the next section, which is
Question.
question. Yes.
All right. So for this question, it's simple. So here is the title of the questions. You can put anything you want. So for example, descriptive text that I wanted to put in here. Yes, descriptive text. And the instruction is like optional. You can like do for the instruction like, do not using or maybe you can use vivid language or like clear language to describe things or event or person, anything you want. And right into the above, there's two choices for you. It's like short answer or multiply choice. But in this time, we're gonna use short answer, for example. And then the attach, you can put like a photo or link or anything you want. And then we move into the points and do, especially the do. The same as the previous one, you can put the date for the assignment or the quiz to the student to mengumpulkan the assignment or the deadline is whatever you want. For example, tonight and the time. That's it. There's a topic. So here's in the topic. It's just like create topic about before we jump into the material descriptive text. Yes, just like preview. That's it. Just simple as that. And then you can click the X button above. And then we're jump into material, which is material is kind when you want to move into the new chapter on the book, but we use Google Classroom. So the title, for example, we take like descriptive text. And here's on the description, you can do whatever you want about descriptive text. Just like descriptive text means a text that to describe a person, event, or things in detail using a vivid language, something like that. And just like the previous one, you can attach a photo or link or resources for more detail to the student understand. And yeah, there's a topic here. You can create topic or you can just put it into the descriptive tag ones. Yes. And post it. That's it. Just simple as that.
Okay, so now let's continue to the create, and then you can see there's a reuse post. When you click it, you can see that there's the previous class that I created. So, for example, you can reuse the post from this class. It's like what's the title and what is the material that you want to reuse the post for another class. And you can create new copies of all the attachment so that you don't have to upload it one by one. And then let's jump to the topic. And for the topic, you can create a topic. For example, creating a topic is for the class in English class. So you have many material or many topic for this class, just like narrative text, descriptive text, or limerick or something just like this. For the example, this is the topic, so the students can know what the topic they gonna learn that day. And next is we will see the point of view for the students. So I will use another Google account, just like this. This is my the other Google account. So you can click join class, and then you can click the class code or just copy the class code. This is as for the student, and you can see here there's the upcoming due date as well for this from the previous classwork that Fanny, Jojo, and Cecil explained. And as you can see here, for the first one is for the limericks. Page will be like this. You can add your work here and you can mark it as done. And when you go back, you can see this is the daily quiz from Fanny. And you can click the blank quiz. And then you can see this. And then you can see the new question from Juju explanation. You can see this is the point of view. Type we have to type our answer, or you just can private comment to the teacher. And for the new material, this is the example for the descriptive text. So when we are the teacher, we can just edit it and we can see it. And then I want to share to you guys about our previous class, about the TLMD class that we have already tested for this class. So as you can see here, this is our previous test for the testing Google Classroom. As you can see here, we have so many topic just like this. Student will see this topic once work is added to it. LMS, mobile learning, the workshop, collaborative activities, workshop 2, workshop 3, or just like this. For the example for digital immigrant and for digital natives, this is the example for the material that is posted when I go back to my other account as a student. As you can see here, the page will be like this. This is the description, and this is the PDF or the material that is uploaded to the Google Classroom.
Okay, now for the assignment, you guys are required to create a class in the classroom that consists at minimum one material, one assignment, and one quiz. And then if you done creating the classroom, you can share the link in the WhatsApp group, our TLMT WhatsApp group, so your friends can see your work. And the creation of the classroom is for each group. So if you are from group 1, 2, 3, and etc., you can create it together with your group members. So one group should create one classroom from the Google Classroom. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our tutoring and our workshop. I hope you can learn. You can use Google Classroom after this. You can create it by your own. And see you next time. Bye bye.